A promise made is a debt unpaid. You are not entitled to anything until you save and pay for it. Worrying is like paying a debt you don't owe. Some debts are fun when you are acquiring them, but none are fun when you set about retiring them. You can't get out of debt while keeping the same lifestyle that got you there. Cut out everything except the basics. Being in control of your finances is a great stress reliever. Choose to take control. Credit and debt keep us fixated on the past and not the future. Every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 hours each. It's better to live cheap under budget than luxuriously in debt. Just the fact that we don't know our due date on death should be enough motivation to live every day to your highest potential. 10 things you realize when you get mature. Gossiping is boring, useless, and time wasting. You don't find a phone call from your mom annoying because you care about her. Talk less, listen more, and let other people shine. It's okay if you don't know everything. Speak up for yourself or people never know. It's good to be serious sometimes. Stop to find any excuses and deal with the problem. Time is precious. Say no to people who waste your time. Love yourself more. Don't hurt yourself for someone else. Cherish friends who are always there when you need them. Don't tell me that isn't a big deal, that will cut off your legs and laugh at you as you grovel in the dirt begging for mercy. Never let the things you want make you forget the things you have. Measure your wealth not by the things you have, but by the things for which you would not take money. Every time you borrow money, you are robbing your future self. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. If you owe someone money, get on a plan and pay them. You might get 85 years on this planet. Don't spend 65 paying off a lifestyle you can't afford. Pretending to be rich can make you poor. Learn to live within your means. Your net worth is not your net worth. Unmanaged debt is a slow, painful way to exist. Don't fight about money because after you have said mean things to each other, the amount of money in the bank will be the same. Debt can turn a free, happy person into a bitter human being. Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want to impress people that they don't like. Debt basically enables people to live a lie. When someone lends you money, it doesn't mean they have a lot. It means they thought you needed it more than them. So learn to return people's money with the same energy and smile you borrowed it with. The rich rule over the poor and the borrower is slave to the lender. The difference between a republic and an empire is the loyalty of one's army. Love people who hate you. Pray for people who have wronged you. It won't just change their life, it will change yours. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. By doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Trust is like glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. Truth of life. Do a million good things, nobody will care. But commit a single mistake and everybody will judge you. Person who asks is a fool for 5 minutes, but the one who doesn't ask remains a fool forever. Show respect even to people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character, but as a reflection of yours. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. When this line is straight, everyone will suddenly love you. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. If you are irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? Behavior is the mirror in which everyone shows their image. Be like water, not luxurious but valuable for life. How to be happy? Remove the toxic people from your life. You can't make history in your comfort zone. Answer this. What do most people like? Own gain or other person's fall? When you say I and my too much, you lose the capacity to understand the we and our. Make yourself in such a way that you are always part of the solution, not the problem. Characterize people by their actions and you will never be fooled by their words. Be careful what you say about yourself because you are listening. A small loan makes a debtor, a great one an enemy. Sad but truth. I lost someone who didn't love me, but you lost someone who truly loved you. Importance. When you give a lot of importance to someone in your life, you lost your importance in their life. Psychology says never express too much love, affection, or care to someone because it's human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. Except you can't make people feel for you the way you feel for them. Just accept the truth and move on. Value. Value the person who gives you time. It's not time. They share a part of life with you. Past is in your head. Future is in your hand. Be independent. Be positive. Be free. Karma says don't trust words, trust vibes. People can tell you anything, but a vibe tells you everything. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. Stay positive. Hold on. Change your mindset. Believe in yourself. Be positive. Enjoy life. Time has no meaning in itself unless we choose to give it significance. Some of the best advice you'll ever get will come from listening to your own instincts. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's about what you are made of, not the circumstances. The dead cannot cry out for justice. It is a duty of the living to do so for them. The only thing more expensive than education is ignorance. Cry. There is a moment in everyone's life where you want to cry out loud, but you cry silently. Your soul wants to scream, but you cannot admit it. Worst feeling when you have no one to tell what is going in your head and how it's slowly killing you. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. No one will ever fully be able to understand the internal battles you had to endure just to heal, just to grow, just to make it here today. Be proud of the way you fought to save yourself. Be proud of the way you survived. Self-respect. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Maturity. Maturity is when you stop asking people why they don't call or text you anymore. You just notice the change and accept it. No drama, no fights. You just walk away with a smile. Karma says listen to people when they are angry because that is when the real truth comes out. Laws of karma. Forgive the person and their actions. Never give in to hate. Let it go. Set it free and karma will take care of what is meant to be. What changed me? I have always been there for anyone who has ever needed me, but no one was there for me when I needed someone. That broke my heart and that changed me forever. Self-respect. Never beg someone to be in your life. If you text, call, visit and still get ignored, walk away. It's called self-respect. Karma says never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Karma says never ignore a person that loves you, cares for you and missed you, because one day you might wake up from your sleep and realize you lost the moon while counting the stars. Karma says if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Psychology says when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more possibilities. I killed my own happiness in such a young age by loving someone more than myself. Psychology says if you don't clear your misunderstanding in time, they became the reason for distance forever. Priority. No one is too busy in this world. We all have the same 24 hours. It's all about priorities. Karma says don't be upset when people reject you. Nice things are rejected all the time by people who cannot afford them. Karma says if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Karma says most people think love is full of joy, smile and romance, but the actual truth is love is full of hurt, pain and cry. Karma says mouth can lie, eyes cannot. People will forget, karma will not. Best advice in 2 lines. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best reaction in every situation. Never put the key to your happiness in somebody else's pocket. Psychology says God doesn't give you the people you want. He gives you the people you need. Karma says don't take revenge from your enemies. You just focus on your future goals. Leave them for me. I'll take care of them. Karma says some people will regret treating you badly at some stage in life. It will happen soon, believe me. Karma says listen to people when they are angry because that is when the real truth comes out. Karma says if you ever feel you are no longer important to someone, then leave their life silently. Karma says never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Karma says don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how will they be without you in their life. Karma. Mouth can lie, eyes cannot. People will forget, karma will not. Karma says don't be fooled by a sweet talker. Believe someone whose actions and mouth speak the same truth. Karma says don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how will they be without you in their life. Private. When you are happy with someone in private, you don't need to prove it on social media. Friends. Millions of memories, thousands of jokes, hundreds of secrets, just one best friend. Best friend. Best friends are like mirror and shadow. Mirror don't lie and shadow never leave. Block. No need to block you. I want you to see what you lost. Accept. Accept the situation and move on with a smile. No matter whether the smile is real or fake, because no one really cares. Some disconnections will bless your life. Delete. If someone deletes the story before 24 hours, it's because the target has already seen it. Self-respect. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Life lesson is stop wasting your time on people who treat you good one day, then act like you don't exist the next day. Hurt. She will never show you how much you hurt her, but one day she will walk away from your life, which will hurt you a lot. Perfect partner is someone who can understand your mood just by looking at your text and emojis. Avoid. Never avoid the person who loves you truly, because nowadays it's hard to get a true love. My situation, I can't block it, I can't forget it, I can't find it, I can't lose it. I just love it without any hope. Difficult. What is the most difficult task in the world? To unlove the person you love the most, I replied. Maturity is when someone hurts you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. Priority versus option. I'll make time for you. You are a priority. If I have time, you are an option. Ignore. Don't ignore anyone after they get addicted to you. It really hurts. Loyalty. Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. Loyalty is a responsibility, not a choice. Real man. A real man doesn't love 1,000 girls. He loves one girl in 1,000 ways. A real boyfriend calls you for nothing, texts you all the time, wants to see you, gets jealous, is overprotective, cares about you. Time decides who you meet in your life. Heart decides who you want in your life. Behavior decides who will stay in your life. Flirt when you fall for someone's words. Lust when you fall for someone's beauty. Love when you fall for someone's soul. Fake love, attitude, ego, costly gifts, disrespect, give no time, and sex. True love, care, respect, understand each other, fighting, give time. Karma says if you ever feel you are no longer important to someone, then leave their life silently. Karma says when you fully trust someone without any doubt, you get one of these two results: a person for life, a lesson for life. A close friend can become a close enemy. I don't hate you, I just lost all my respect for you. I trusted you, but now your words mean nothing because your actions spoke the truth. I had to forgive a person who wasn't even sorry. That's strength. One day you will realize I did truly care for you. I promise you, you will miss me being there, putting up with you, and refusing to give up on you. You are going to regret everything you have done to me, including all the damage you caused. Someday you will look back and wish things could be different. I might have been worthless to you, but I am of great value to myself. My silence means I am tired of fighting, and now there's nothing left to fight for. My silence means I am tired of explaining my feelings to you, but now I don't have the energy to explain them anymore. My silence means I have adapted to the changes in my life and I don't want to complain. My silence means I am on a self-healing process and I am trying to forget everything I ever wanted from you. My silence means I am just trying to move on gracefully with all my dignity. Ungrateful people complain about the one thing you haven't done for them instead of being thankful for the thousands of things you have done for them. Maturity. It doesn't always come with age. In fact, it's deeper than age. It's about the way you see and understand things, the way you consider others, the way you communicate, the way you react. the things you value, the things you entertain, the way you represent yourself and others as an adult. Everyone grows old, but not everyone is growing up. Change is never easy, but always possible. I have always been stimulated by the sense of challenge. Even when life challenges us, it's a gift beyond all measure. Focus means being diligent. Diligence always leads to wealth. A man doesn't need brilliance or genius, all he needs is energy. Happiness consists in realizing it is all a great, strange dream. Energy and persistence alter all things. Spend your energy on things that make a difference. Hoping drains your energy. Action creates energy. Be the energy you want to attract. Energy is transferable, so be careful of the company you keep. Dirt will rub off on white before white will rub off on dirt. And suddenly you know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. Every thought has a frequency. Thoughts send out a magnetic energy. Be a reflection of what you would like to receive. If you want love, give love. If you want truth, be truthful. If you want respect, give respect. What you give out will always return. I am grateful for every gift that I receive. Do good and good will come to you. When you finish talking bad about me, don't forget to tell them all the good I did for you. Everybody is a saint when they talk about someone else's sin. You can't pray for them and gossip about them. Choose one. Stop walking around with a mouth full of scriptures and a heart full of hate. It doesn't matter how many Sundays you sit in church or if you think you are saved. God sees what you do and how you treat people. That's what really matters. You cannot treat people like garbage and worship God at the same time. I don't understand how some people are okay with themselves knowing they emotionally destroyed someone. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Happiness blooms from within. Make your dream become your reality. Sunflowers are the joy of the earth. Live life in full bloom. The difference between a weed and a flower is all in how we name it. Earth laughs in flowers. May the petals teach me the art of letting go. A flower doesn't think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Modernity is a qualitative, not a chronological category. It is interesting how the selfish, the ignorant, and the constantly angry all tend to be the same person. Selfish people try to keep or get things, but they lose people. Self-centered people have only one topic to talk about themselves. Selfish people tend to only be good to themselves, then are surprised when they are alone. The same people who are candy to our eyes can be poison to our hearts. Study their ingredient before feeding them to your soul. Self-absorbed people only think about what makes them feel good at the moment. They don't have any respect or regard for anyone else. Then they wonder why their relationships fail. The desire for knowledge shapes a man. Make a decision even if it's wrong. Knowledge is provided but only to those who need to know. One person can make a difference. There can be no doubt that all our knowledge begins with experience. Only the knowledge that comes from inside is the real knowledge. No man's knowledge here can go beyond his experience. It is not the situation which makes the man, but the man who makes the situation. The mark of a great man is one who knows when to set aside the important things in order to accomplish the vital ones. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. The value of an idea has nothing whatever to do with the sincerity of the man who expresses it. Desire is the very essence of man. A man's sense of self is defined through his ability to achieve results. A noble spirit embiggens the smallest man. Idleness is the sepulchre of a living man. Idleness is the heaviest of all operations. All is wholesome in the absence of excess. Solitude is as needful to the imagination as society is wholesome for the character. The basic assumption of the secular society is that modernity overcomes religion. You don't really need modernity in order to exist totally and fully. You need a mixture of modernity and tradition. Silence is my attitude, patience is my weapon. Silence is not my character, silence is my attitude. A meaningful silence is always better than a meaningless words. My silence is my attitude. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Silence is more eloquent than words. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Silence is one of the great arts of conversation. Listening to the eternal involves the silence within us. I have begun to realize that you can listen to silence and learn from it. It has a quality and a dimension all its own. Before you begin your day, take a moment of silence and meditation and give yourself permission to have all that you desire. Logic and ethics are fundamentally the same. They are no more than duty to oneself. Humans are not ideally set up to understand logic. They are ideally set up to understand stories. Logic helps us to step off the outward disguise of things and to be whole and judge of them in their own nature. Human beings lose their logic in their vindictiveness. Logic is a system whereby one may go wrong with confidence. When dealing with people, remember you are not dealing with creatures of logic but creatures of emotion. Logic is a system whereby one may go wrong with confidence. Logic is one thing and common sense another. Intuition is a suspension of logic due to impatience. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. When intuition and logic agree, you are always right. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।